Alright, here we go. Oh, there's the fountains, but there's no water in the fountains. So this is basically Livingston?
Yeah, this is Livingston.
Yep. Yeah, basically we're in 1971 now, so... The ceiling's much lower here, too.
This is a bathroom.
Okay.
I don't know if anybody else has to clean it.
Oh, look! There's an old phone!
Oh, this is very 1905.
See, here, look at the phone.
Oh, you're gonna take a picture of that.
Old payphone here. That's pretty cool. Just make sure I'm staying out of people's way. Yeah. Very cool phone here. Payphone.